Heavy rain, damaging winds are developing across the northeast down there in Victoria. Bureau Meteorology has updated issued a severe weather warning for damaging winds, heavy rainfall for the northeast and parts of the east Gippsland forecast districts. Strong cold front will cross Victoria on Wednesday. Heavy rainfall may lead to flash flooding, forecast to develop across the warning area during the early hours of Wednesday, with some easing in rain then expected by the late morning. Heavy rainfall may lead to flash flooding is then forecast to redevelop across the warning area during the late afternoon, continuing into the Wednesday evening. 3 hourly rainfall totals 30 millimetres possible early on Wednesday and again Wednesday night. Daily rainfall totals of 60 to 100 millimetres likely across the northeast, with some isolated falls of 100 to 120 millimetres across the Alpine peaks. Damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts of around 90 kilometres an hour expected across the elevated areas above the 1200 metres mark northeast of Victoria during Wednesday, and most likely during the early morning and again at night. Locations currently under the warning that could be affected: Corryong, Bright, Force Creek, Mount Hotham and Mount Buddha. Now we have a look at instability from 1300 hours through to 2200 hours tomorrow, followed by rain probability and the winds at the 850 millibars level. Information is at the top and bottom of the screen. And what's going on in the capital cities? We have 22.5 in Sydney, 18.1 in Melbourne, 24.4 in Brisbane, 17.7 Perth, 19 in Adelaide, the same for Hobart, 19.5 Canberra, 31.2 Darwin. That is the current temperatures. Shower 2 in Sydney, mostly sunny. Melbourne, shower 2 also in Brisbane. It's currently cloudy to my north, partly cloudy over there in Perth. Shower 2 developing in Adelaide, partly cloudy also in Hobart, Canberra, and up there in Darwin, mostly sunny. Bureau Meteorology in Victoria has issued an initial flood watch for parts of the northeast, central Victoria and Gippsland. Minor to moderate flooding may develop across catchments in the flood watch area from late Wednesday. A strong cold front will cross waters south of the Bight during Tuesday, before moving across Victoria during Wednesday, bringing rain. Catchments are moderately wet following recent rain, and parts of the northeast catchments were affected by the summer fires. River rises may occur more rapidly in these areas. 35 to 60 millimetres expected across the northeast, increasing to 60 to 100 millimetres across the northeast ranges, with isolated totals of 100 to 120 millimetres possible. Other parts of the floodwatch area, including the Yarra, Bunyip, Mitchell and the McAllister River catchments, may receive 15 to 35 millimetres. With forecast rainfall, river rises likely, minor to moderate flooding may develop across the floodwatch area from late Wednesday. Strong wind warning in place for the West Coast and East Gippsland coast for today, and a strong wind warning will also be in place for the West Central and East Gippsland coast Wednesday. However, the Bureau's cancelled the one for the Central Gippsland coast. Bureau also has in place a sheep graziers warning for the following areas: the Mallee, the Wimmera, the Northern Country, North Central, North East, South West Central, West South Gippsland and East Gippsland forecast districts. Strong wind warning also in place down there in Tasmania, the upper east, lower east, the southeast, southwest, central west coast. That's for today, and a reduced one for tomorrow for the southwest and central west coast only. South Australia has a strong wind warning for the far west, upper west, lower west coast, the central coast, the south, lower southeast coast. And for Wednesday, from the far west, the upper west, lower west, central coast, Spencer Gulf and lower southeast coast. And for New South Wales, strong wind warning for the Illawarra, Batemans and Eden coast, and a similar one for Wednesday. And here in Queensland, reduced one, strong wind warning, the Peninsula, Cooktown coast. That's for today. And over there in WA, strong wind warning for the Nigaloo, Gascoyne, Geraldton, Albany, Esperance and the Incula coast. Similar one also for tomorrow.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.